Hello everyone, so today I'm here to do something completely different. I usually don't do videos like that, but I wanted to do it because I promised that I was going to do it. It's a video about a product that has been sent to me from L'Oreal. I promised that I would try it. I promised that I would do a video about it. I'm sorry for the people who are here for the music or for the art. It has nothing to do with my usual topics. It's not usual that I receive products, beauty products. Actually, it's the first time. It was kind of the deal. I receive a product for free. That's very nice. If I am trying it and doing it seriously, the least that I can do is to give a feedback about this product, and I thought, okay, why not sharing it with everyone. It's a moisturizer for the face, for the skin. It's mostly for women, so I'm really sorry if you are a man and if you are here and you don't care. I understand that. I usually don't spend a lot of time talking about beauty products, but I'm going to do it today. And I'm also going to show you a few products that I used during the lockdown that I really appreciated. Since I'm here to talk about products, why not talking about those ones that I really loved and used during the lockdown, and actually not only during the lockdown, and that I do really appreciate. It doesn't mean that I'm going to do that every time. No, no, no. That is an exceptional video. About 2 years ago, I registered on a website named Influencer. They were saying that they could send us to people products, that we could try it and write on their website a feedback to say what we think about it. And they were asking me if I would accept to do that. Actually, I went to the website with this aim in mind that I would receive products that I would try, because first, I love trying products. Second, I love saying what I think about them. So I thought, why not? So that was 2 years ago, and I didn't have news. Once they sent me an email saying maybe an important brand will want to send you something. Would you be ready to try the product? And I said yes. And then nothing. So basically during 2 years, I almost didn't have any news from them. I must admit that I was not going to their website a lot, that I didn't write a lot of feedbacks or anything, because I had other things to do, and I'm not a beauty guru. So no news during 2 years, or almost. And well, about 1.5 months ago, I received a very nice package from L'Oreal. I saw that it was coming through Influencer because it was written inside. So I understood where it was coming from. It's not someone out of the blue who sends me a L'Oreal product, no, no. And I received this. So it was in this box that I kept because there are important information on it. And as you can see, the container is beautiful, heavy, luxurious. Seriously, it could come from a more expensive brand. The packaging is really beautiful, and for me the packaging is important. Seriously, in my bathroom, that's nice. So I got also this little notice saying Discover Age Perfect Rosy Tone with Imperial Peony Extract, a daily moisturizer that boosts skin's rosiness for younger looking skin. It's also dye-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, mineral oil-free. I precise that I received it for free, that I didn't pay for it, but that they didn't ask me to say something nice. They didn't pay me to say something nice about the product. I'm not sponsored. It's not, yes, it's not a sponsored video. I'm not paid for anything. They just gave me the product and that's it. I didn't pay for the product, and they ask me my opinion, whatever it is, good or bad. So they asked me to apply the product during 4 weeks, every day in the morning, and after 4 weeks to do the post survey and to share my review. How to use it: start with clean face. Apply once a day in the morning for 4 weeks. Follow with the sunscreen of your choice. It can be used under makeup. 24-hour hydration. Yes, I can say that. It's very moisturizing. That's a fact. Absorbs quickly. Yes, that's true. It doesn't leave a greasy thing on the face. No. Non-greasy. That's right. I don't feel something greasy on my face. As a disclaimer, all what I'm saying here is my opinion, my experience with the product. And this is only my opinion. I precise it because now every time we say something on YouTube, we get sued. So I don't want to get a lawsuit for any reason. So this is my own opinion and my own experience with this product for my own skin. Maybe you will have a completely different experience with the product. That's possible. That is very personal. I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So, is it moisturizing? Yes. Is it pleasant to put on the face? Yes. Do I think that it's a good product? I mean, from a moisturizing point of view? Yes. Do I like the packaging? Yes, I love it. Here is how it looks inside. It's pink. It's a peachy pink. The cream is a little thick. It's not liquid, it's not runny, it's rather thick. Now I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of the product. I'm very sincere. I always say what I think. I shouldn't sometimes, but here I'm here to say what I think of the product. I think it's good, but I had a few problems with it. First, when I opened it and I saw the color, it disturbed me a little because the color is exactly the color of, you know, when I was a child, I was wearing braces, and every time they were taking a mold of my mouth, of my teeth, they were doing une empreinte. They were putting some alginate, you know, it's a product, it's a pink product that they put in your mouth like that. They have like a metallic tray, they put the alginate on it, and they put that in your mouth to take exactly the print of your teeth. And it was making me want to throw up every time they were doing that, because the products sometimes go until the throat. It's not that the product was not good, it's just the fact to have all this alginate, this product, pink product in the mouth. I wanted to throw up, really to puke. When I opened it, the first thing that I thought of is alginate, that, and it gave me the which is not recommended for a moisturizer. You are not supposed to want to puke when you receive something so beautiful. So I thought, okay, suck it up and try it, because this is not some alginate, it's really a moisturizer. And when I opened it, it smells. It smells, obviously it seems some peony flower. Usually I'm not bothered by flower smell. I wear a lot of fragrances, perfumes, which are very heavy or floral, like for example Paris by Yves Saint Laurent, which is really rose. It smells rose. This doesn't smell rose, it really smells peony. I suppose so. It smells good. The smell is not bad. I don't hate the smell. It's just the problem that when I put a moisturizer or lotion on my face, as much as I like floral perfumes, I don't mind, you know, like Naima of Guerlain. I wore that during years. It's very floral. It doesn't disturb me. But when it's moisturizer, I prefer unscented, or I like when it's very green, when the scent is green. What I mean by green, I mean like cucumber or grass or leaves or something very green, fresh, I should say fresh. For example, usually I wear this. That is my usual moisturizer. It's more like a lotion. It's not like a cream. It's more like a lotion. It's probably not good enough for my skin because I'm older. I should probably wear something better than that. But it's Neutrogena. It's not bad. We have in France Neutrogena, so it's a brand that I know, and so I know what I get because I know this brand really well. It's a broad spectrum SPF 15 with sunscreen. It's oil-free moisture. I love that because it's a lotion. It's very easy to put on. It doesn't smell much, but it smells a little bit like cucumber. And I like that. This, in the morning, when I put that on, the smell is really too heavy for me. So now I got used to it because I've been wearing it during 1 month, maybe even more. But the first day I was smelling peony the whole day. The whole day I had this smell in my nose. Now less, probably because I got used to it. But when I apply the cream, it disturbs me. I saw that L'Oreal was making a cream like that unscented. So maybe I should try that rather, because that is too much for me from a scent point of view. Another thing which was a problem for me, so they say that it's pink because it gives you healthier skin when you get older. Because it seems that when we get older, the skin is more dull. My problem is that I already have a very pinkish skin. I have a tendency to have some redness, and I'm very pink. When I look at my skin without makeup in the mirror in the morning, what I see is pink. And if my skin is irritated, it becomes reddish. I have a lot of redness. If I tan a little outside, because I go a lot outside, not right now, but when I used to go outside and it was sunny, not right now, not a lot of sun right now, but when I tan, I don't really tan, I become red. It's very strange because it's like if I was born in Ireland, you know, I have a skin, pinkish skin, which becomes red under the sun. So when I saw, oh, you are going to be more pink with this cream, I was like, it's not what I want. It's the contrary. I want to erase this redness or this pinkness. Now, is it worse when I put that on? No, actually, it's nice. Honestly, when I put it on, it's nice. It's almost like a pink BB cream. You know, it doesn't cover. It's not like a foundation. It's not really like a BB cream. Of course, it's sheer. But we can see the pink. We can see the pink. It gives a nice look. Honestly, if there was not this color and this problem of scent, I probably would love that. But because of the scent and because of this color, which really disturbs me, I don't think that I will buy it again. Will I finish it? Yes, I will finish it because the smell, I cannot. Yes, I will finish it. As you can see, there is a lot, because look at what is, I don't know if you can see, look at what is remaining. There is a lot remaining, but I used a lot already. I used about 1/3 I used it more than 1 month, so they sent me a lot. It's a lot. It's going to last probably 2 or 3 months. It's a nice gift that they sent to me. The price, $19.99 at Target, so almost $20. It's around $20. It depends where you buy it, but it's about the price. Here are my thoughts about this product. If you want something very moisturizing, this is good. If you like the packaging, this is good. If the smell doesn't disturb you, this is good. If the color doesn't disturb you, this is good. There are some pigments in that. That's a problem for me too, because for me a moisturizer is something which sinks in the skin and not which covers the skin. You see, I usually don't like foundation, so having a moisturizer which could be almost like a BB cream, it disturbs me a little. Another concern, which is very important, they say that you must not go out just with this cream under the sun, in the sun. You have to wear a sunscreen above it. So that disturbs me, because in this thing there is some sunscreen, not a lot. SPF 15, it's not a lot, but at least I can go out a little protected. Without, I'm not protected. I think it's even maybe not good to go in the sun, under the sun, with nothing. So I was wearing this Neutrogena. I'm very Neutrogena. In France we have Neutrogena, so I feel comfortable using it. Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum SPF 45. Lightweight, clean feel. Yes, I like it because you put it on and it disappears completely. So I had to put on this plus this when I go out. So that is a problem, the fact that it's not SPF. You live somewhere where there is a lot of sun, maybe it's not for you unless you use something like that on the top. So this I searched. It's around $8. It's affordable and it's a very good product. I'm not paid by Neutrogena. I'm paid by nobody. This is only my opinion and that's it. So just you to know, I'm not sponsored by Neutrogena. No. Does my skin look younger after using that? I'm not sure. Honestly, I cannot tell. I don't see especially a difference, but I'm going to use it until the end. I'm going to empty the jar because it's not a bad product. It's rather good. It's just me being picky and difficult with colors and smells, and I'm not an easy customer. But I like to try products and I like talking about them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you products which were with me during the pandemic and mostly during the lockdown, and which were important to me. I'm going to start with that. This is a deodorant Native. It's a paraben-free, aluminium-free. So I was searching for that, for aluminium-free. I've heard about Native during a very long time, but every time I was seeing it at Target, I was seeing the price, $12, $13, $12 or $13 for a deodorant. No, thank you. I don't know what happened, but during the lockdown, especially at the beginning, you know, I was busy like a bee, running everywhere in my house and in my office and in my store and everywhere, working. And I don't know if it's because I was anxious or nervous or I don't know what. I started sweating like crazy, and I precise that I take a shower every day. But I started sweating by an unusual way and stinking. It's very rare that I stink because I'm sweating. That's not me. I always wear deodorant, any deodorant. But since a while I was searching without aluminium because aluminium can give you cancer. So I wanted to try something healthier. And I found some at Sprouts, deodorant without aluminium. It was working before, but suddenly it was not working anymore. And when you work the whole day and you stink and you smell yourself and you think, I stink, I smell so bad. And I thought, what is going on? What is happening? I must find something, a deodorant which works for me. One day I was at Target, one of the first times when I could get out, and I was going to the post office, and by coming back I stopped at Target and I saw Native. I saw the smell grapefruit and bergamot. I love grapefruit, the smell, and I love grapefruit anyway, and I love bergamot because I love Earl Grey teas. I love this smell. And that smells really good. And I thought, okay, I love grapefruit, I love bergamot, I'm going to try that. But $12 something it was. I thought I must be crazy to pay so much for a deodorant, but I thought, okay, I'm going to try, and because everybody was telling me, oh, that's so great. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try it. And if it's good, at least it will be worth its money, its price. So I bought that. So first, the smell. I could smell that the whole day. I love that so much. And it works. It really works. I don't know if you can find it in Europe, but seriously, if you find it in Europe, I recommend. I smell good the whole day, and even in the morning when I wake up, I'm still fresh. I'm so glad that I found that during the lockdown and even after, because finally I could be locked in my house without stinking. So that was very important to me. I don't know for you, but for me, I'm the only one here with my cat. I didn't want to make my cat is just beside me here. I didn't want to make my cat sick, and I didn't want to stink while I was working, so I was so happy to find that. And I'm so happy with that I bought another one to be sure to have enough and to have this scent, because I really love this scent. I didn't try the other scent, so I cannot tell you how it is, but this one, wow. Once again, I'm not paid by Native. No, nobody paid me. It's my only and own opinion. So now I am going to show you something which is a little difficult to find now, but you can find it on the website of the people who are making that. It's Pacifica, and I saw that it was still on their website. It's this. So the name is Radiant Shimmer Natural Mineral Coconut Multiples, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. It's basically for the face, for the eyes, for the lips, and even for the body. That's what they say on the website. I went to check the price of that now on their website, Pacifica Radiant. So it's $14 on their website. I bought it at Sprouts. It was on sale at Sprouts just before the lockdown. Just at the beginning of the pandemic, a little before the lockdown. Yes, it was in January or something like that. It was at Sprouts on sale. I paid $6 for it, but I found that so beautiful, and I like, it's everything is in cardboard, so it's recyclable, and there is it's magnetic. You see, it stays closed. I found them so beautiful, the colors. So you have here the bronzer that is more like a blush, and this is more like a highlighter. As you can see, the bronzer, I used it a lot. I loved it. I never used the product so fast. What I love, I must clean that. What I love is that It's not in your face, it's not so pigmented that you can only see that. It's correctly pigmented, you can build it, especially the bronzer, but the two other ones I like, I use them too, I like them. During the lockdown, I didn't wear a lot of makeup, but just a little that on the face already I looked put together, you know. I didn't look like someone sick. It gave little colors on my face, and you can see in yes, now it's almost 1 year, let's say 11 months that I have it, and I touch pan for the bronzer. I still have a lot to use. I will probably buy it again. It's creamy, so it's not powder, it's cream. And you can apply it with a sponge or with your finger. I like using my fingers to apply it. I love that. So I wanted to tell you, if you find that, I think it's beautiful. Okay, now this one is empty. I'm using another one. This is Angel Thierry Mugler Crème Gourmande pour les mains. They call that delicious hand cream. So it's a hand cream. It's very rich. I love it. I've had them since a long time, and I used this cream. I had several things like that. I used it a lot, but I used it a lot during the lockdown because I was washing my hands a lot, and my hands become really very dry. That's why I finished this one and I started another one. Now I'm not sure if you can still find specifically this one. Once again, I don't work for Thierry Mugler, and this product is expensive. Thierry Mugler sells another hand cream which is probably the same as this one, and it smells like the perfume Angel that I wear. I've been wearing Angel since years. That's why the scent doesn't disturb me, because anyway, that's my perfumes. I'm an Angel person. It's expensive, but I wanted to show you that because if you use a lot of sanitizer or if you wash your hands a lot because of the pandemic, think of buying a hand cream, because otherwise your hands are going to be ruined. I don't recognize my hands. I used to have really beautiful hands, and they are becoming old, but I can see that they are dry because I wash them so much. So whatever hand cream you have, anything which is moisturizing for the hands, use and several times in the day. And even if you wash your dishes or whatever you do with your hands, put some hand cream on them to keep them nourished and moisturized. One thing I also had, and that I was very happy to have during the lockdown, is this. Actually, when I bought the package, had two like that. This one is my first one. It's Nivea. Once again, I don't work for Nivea. I'm not paid by Nivea to talk about this. I don't know if we say Nivea here. No, I think it's Nivea. So it's blackberry lip care. It's like a balm. What I love is that it nourishes the lips, but also it gives a little red, dark red, raspberry color on your lips. So when I'm working, I have that beside my computer, and I'm like that. By this way, I don't need to put some makeup on when I'm working, but at least I look like something, you know. My lips are nice and moisturized and reddish. It's really cute, and it's really cheap. You can find it for $2.19 at Rite Aid. Very cheap, but it's excellent. I have another one brand new, but I will buy them again. And Nivea, I don't know if it's a French brand, but we have Nivea in France. When I was a child, I already used some Nivea cream and some Nivea balm from the lips, so it's a very oldie. Not this one. This one is more recent, I mean the scent, but Nivea. In France, it's a must, Nivea. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is this. So that was not during the lockdown. I bought it recently. Lisa Eldridge. She's British. She's very well known on YouTube. She makes a lot of videos. I will write the link to her channel because I love Lisa Eldridge. I'm a follower of her channel. I love how she makes makeup. She's a makeup artist. She's a very famous makeup artist in England and in the world. She's passionate about her art. I consider it's an art. At that level, it's an art. I love her. She released already before some lipstick and beautiful rings, because she was wearing rings and everybody wanted her rings, and she released some beautiful rings, but the rings were way too expensive for me. If I had some money, enough money for that, I would have bought some rings, but I couldn't. Then she released some lipstick, but it was sold out almost immediately. So she released some lipstick again recently, and I thought, okay, this time I'm going to buy one. She released many colors. So this one is True Velvet Lip Color. So that is the line, the kind of lipstick. And the color is Velvet Blush. It's blush. It's what I'm wearing right now. So it's kind of nude raspberry. It's between pink and raspberry, dark pink, little brick. It goes with a lot of things. I'm going to show you. Look at this beauty. I don't know if you can see. There is the L with the lips engraved on the top. At the bottom you have Velvet Blush with the description, and look, it closes, it's magnetic, and look at that. It looks like velvet. I never saw a lipstick like that. When you open it, you really think it's some velvet. So I tried it in my home. I was at home. I didn't get out with it or anything. I tried it the whole day. This lipstick lasts. It doesn't transfer. So if you put a mask on, you are not going to stain your mask. So that is good to know. And I wanted a lipstick which stays for the videos, for example. Otherwise I have every, I don't know, 20 minutes I have to put some lipstick again on because it doesn't stay, especially when I talk. But look, that's incredible. I'm not a lipstick person. I don't wear lipstick a lot when I'm alone at home. But seriously, even for myself, just wearing it at home, and at the end of the day you look at your lips and there are still some lipstick on. Okay, if you go to eat and you eat something greasy, no, it's not going to stay. There will be a stain. The color will be still there, but you will have to reapply the lipstick. But if you don't eat, if you are just working on your computer, you will see it stays a very long time. That's unbelievable. I still kept the box. So beautiful it is. It is gorgeous. Just the package that I received, it was so cute. Beautiful. So that is more expensive, but it's worth every penny. So I paid 26 pounds, British pounds, which made around $34. So that is expensive. I didn't pay for the shipping. The shipping was free. But you can pay for the shipping if you want a more elaborate shipping or a faster shipping. They told me it will be sent at that date, and it was sent at that date. And I received it really very quickly for a free shipping. I think in 1 or 2 days it was in my home. Very good experience. I will write the link to the Lisa Eldridge channel and to her website. Once again, I am not paid by Lisa Eldridge. I just think that when someone puts so much effort in a product and delivers something so good, we must talk about it. You are going to see me on my videos a lot with this lipstick. It must be expensive to produce. I talk about it because I really love it. So I'm sorry that it took so much time to do a video. I wanted to do it much sooner, but as you know, there was the elections in the United States, and even though I don't vote because I'm not an American citizen and I'm not allowed to vote, it was a very important vote. I'm not going to talk about politics here because, you know, it's not my country, so it's not my place to say what I think, even if I think something. I can just tell you that I spent a lot of days on my screen, on the screen of my phone. I am filming with my iPhone right now. I have an application where I could see the results, and I was working, checking the result, working, checking the results, and we couldn't have the result, and we were waiting and waiting and waiting. And I was like, no, I cannot do my video as long as we don't have the result, because if it happens just when I'm filming, I want to be there when the result happens. And actually, a friend of mine, she called me in the morning very early, and she said, we have the result. So I was very happy to have the result because we waited so much. Whatever we think, it was a very important event because it's not only about politics, it's also about setting a mood for the whole country. And hopefully, the country now won't be so divided, because that is sad, to see people so divided in the country. Well, here in California, the majority is Democrats, so I don't see a lot of Republican people here in Los Angeles around me. I saw some, but not a lot. What is sad is in the families, when the different generations are not of the same, don't have the same opinion, political opinion, and it becomes a problem in the family. That is terrible. So hopefully we will come back to more calm now, less craziness, less aggressivity, and more joy, hopefully. I hope so. We have a pandemic, we have a virus to fight. I think that's quite enough already. If you were interested, I'm glad. If you were not, I'm sorry. I won't do that again unless you want to. Oh, I will probably do that again one day, but it's not usually what I do on my videos. I'm not a beauty guru. It's better not to be a beauty guru right now because let's say it's better not to be in a controversy on YouTube right now. I don't know what is going on YouTube, but I think people are becoming completely crazy. I suppose that the virus creates a form of anger and tension, and it translates on the YouTubers and on the viewers in general. So I hope that this video has been helpful. As I was saying, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm just a consumer and customer, and I use products, and this is just my humble opinion, what I think about them. Anyway, thank you L'Oreal for sending me this. I'm surprised. I didn't even know that L'Oreal was doing this kind of product. For me, L'Oreal, it's makeup. And I discovered that it's not only makeup. So maybe I will try unscented and not pink, you know, the usual white color. Maybe I will try, because the price is, for this kind of product, the price is reasonable. If you are interested for me to show you other things, let me know, but just know that it's not my usual topics on my videos. Thank you for watching. Same thing as usually, please give me a thumb up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to follow me and have news every time I release a video. Don't forget to click on the bell if you want to know that I release the video. And comment if you have some information to give me, or if you want to say something, please comment and I will answer. Okay, I see you very soon. Bye bye.